Hello, QuickBook users, finance enthusiasts, and number crunchers. Welcome back to our channel. As we all know, payroll tax management can be complex, but with QuickBooks Online Payroll, it becomes a breeze. So, for today's tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of paying your payroll taxes using QuickBooks Online Payroll. This will help you stay compliant with tax obligations and avoid penalties. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures and keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. We appreciate your ongoing support and cannot wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Now, let's get right into the simplicity and convenience of QuickBooks Online that will streamline the payroll tax payment process, providing a user-friendly interface that will simplify complex calculation tax and forms. All right, so the software automates payroll tax calculations, right? So it essentially reduces the risk of errors and determining tax liabilities, deductions, and withholdings by automating calculation and providing you up-to-date tax rates. It minimizes the chances of errors in your payroll tax payments. Thus, they are made on time and preventing late payment penalties. The software often allows you to electronically file the payment, saving you time to, manual paperwork and reducing the risk of lost or delayed forms. How good is that? The software generates detailed payroll tax reports, making it easy to review and reconcile your tax liabilities. And of course, for compliance, QBO stays updated with the latest tax laws and regulations, ensuring that your payroll tax calculation remain compliant, right? So, the QBO also employs a robust security measures to protect your sensitive payroll and tax information, reducing the risk of data breaches. So that's all the reason why we are doing this video, right? QBO often integrates seamlessly with other financial software and accounting systems, providing a holistic view of your financial data. And some versions actually of QuickBooks Online allows employees to access their pay stubs, WTs, W2s, and other payroll-related documents online, reducing administrative workload. And it can accommodate the payroll needs of businesses of various sizes, making it suitable for both small business and larger enterprise. Now, as you've watched some of our videos in the past, since we have a limited account using our subscription here, bear with us. But for the training purposes only, we should create a payroll for now. Let's go to journal entry. So to begin paying your payroll taxes, you'll need to access the payroll tax center within QuickBooks Online. That is, we don't have the access yet because we have a limited subscription here. But again, now that you have to review all your payroll tax liabilities. So it's time to make payment. QuickBooks Online offers, they are offering multiple payment methods to choose from, depending on your preference, right? Especially nowadays, they have the ePay. ePay is a convenient and secure way to pay your payroll taxes electronically. Once you set it up together, you can now streamline your tax payments. You also have to discuss the importance of verifying that your payment has been processed successfully with any of your tax advisors in your accountant. And then after making a payment, it's crucial to verify that it has been processed correctly to ensure compliance. And QuickBooks Online Payroll makes it easy to confirm your payment, right? So how good is that? And once again, thank you for joining us today. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing with others who might benefit. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace.